Yo guys, I think I just cracked the code. I think we pretty much all came together and figured out what Nike is doing all year long. They seen what's been happening in the past and they coming out with this new crazy strategy that not a lot of people are talking about. We're gonna discuss in today's video, and I know you guys are not gonna like this. And this right here is the truth we're gonna break down and talk about, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It is your boy, The Vintage, and we are back, man. We are back with another video. We got the all black on, bro, because we about to keep it real. We about to be a little bit spicy, you know what I'm saying, with Nike and their tactics the last couple of months, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you run them likes up, man. Every single like counts, and it helps the channel grow. So if you guys want to help me get to that next goal, we trying to hit 200K. We want to hit a milli. I need you to subscribe right now, hit that like button, and be interactive in the comment section, because this video is going to rely on you guys in the comment section. We need to chop it up about this. We have to keep it real about what Nike is doing to their loyal customers, man. All right, guys, so if you did not know, just over the last couple of months, or I guess we could say just last year, there was a change of CEO from Nike. The last one had a whole bunch of stuff going on. Somebody's son was, backdooring sneakers, making millions of dollars off the backdoor kicks straight from Nike's warehouse. There's a whole bunch of stuff happening last year. But this year in 2025, we have a new CEO, or there is a new CEO from Nike, and he sees that, the sale of some of the sneakers is not where they once were. And over the last couple of quarters in their revenue, they have dropped tremendously from Converse, Nike, Jordan, and all that, due to people, not buying sneakers. There's not been a lot of shoes that people want to see. And I think that's, something that we kind of assumed would happen with all the drops that we did get last year. Not a lot of stuff people was interested in, and we can be honest, there were a lot of filler sneakers that they could have just ultimately kept. But this year in 2025, we have seen that is not the case at all, and almost every single sneaker has become a problem. Nothing is safe. We got to keep like that. Nothing is safe. We thought the Air Jordan 12 flu games were going to be a little bit available, but next thing you know, you got seen lines, you seen fights, you seen all types of crazy stuff happening, and even with the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grades. Now, who would have thought the Cool Grade 9s would be something that everybody's talking about on social media, saying that it was chaotic behind that release? I know nobody would have thought that, especially over the last couple of years. But with that being the OG colorway, some of the OGs definitely was out there. So I say all this to say, we got all these past releases: Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics, Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, Air Jordan 1 Breads, and just with the breads alone, they only made like 20,000 pairs, unit LAs. But all these sneakers that I am naming and some of these releases we have done recaps on have been some of the most limited drops we have seen in a very long time. Now, when I say limited, I don't mean like a 10,000 or 20,000 like the bread ones, but that's just a point in case that why are they only dropping 20,000 pairs of the sneaker that started it all, the banned Air Jordan 1s. And that is to create some hype. The new CEO from Nike wants to create hype. He wants people to be frantic about sneakers. He wants people to get back excited for sneakers and have that excitement to get the shoes. But we ain't all here for that, bro. People over the last couple years have been happy just walking to the mall, seeing shoes sitting and buying a sneaker. I know some people hate hearing the word bricks. This is a brick, it's sitting, all that. But some people, especially like me, I know you guys that watch my channel, we're a little bit, on the bright side of things with shoes sitting. You're not having to go through hoops or, paying an arm and a leg to get a pair of sneakers. Even look at the Cool Grade 9s, again, I got to reference that sneaker. They're going for over $260, when just last year, almost everything was going for retail or below retail. And it's just crazy to think about. Now in 2025, that is a totally different story. So with this whole new strategy that we have been seeing from Nike, is they're going to make all their sneakers a lot less, available out there. They're going to cut back on the quantity, which we have talked about in the past. Nobody believed me, but now you guys see, man, they're only dropping about like 10, 20, 30,000 pairs of shoes on the sneakers app. They're limiting the pairs that's going out to these mom and pop shops, brick and mortar shops, Foot Locker, Hibbets, and all that good stuff. And they are pretty much creating a new hype around these releases. And it's just crazy to think that they have to come to this resolution to kind of build back up the love and the interest and the hype behind Nike. But we gotta be honest, it's kind of working. Like, we have been seeing so many stories, so many tabloids about certain releases from the UNLAs, from the Air Jordan 4 SBs, from a lot of these sneakers that we have been excited to get all year, but they have not been that easy to get for a regular consumer. You gotta pay resale, or you gotta go through hoops and you might gotta get that back door in order to secure your pair. But I gotta be honest, the tactic is working in a sense because the hype is back. Like, people is excited about the foam posits coming out. When have we seen people excited about foams? And over the last couple of foam drops we have been getting, they haven't been anything to where it's a crazy amount of stock or anything to that nature to where you just see them in every single store that you walk in. I think it might be a different story for, you know, those new joints that came out, the green volts or whatever. But for everything else, especially the Galaxies, you know what I'm saying? That in itself is just a different shoe. That's in a different category by itself for that foam posit. But just in general, man, we've seen pairs getting cut back in terms of the quantity. You see the hype is coming back. You see people are going crazy for these shoes. And it's not looking like it's going to be slowing down anytime soon, especially with the crazy revenue loss that Nike has been seeing over the last 3 quarters. And we can even just say a whole year, because you got to be honest, man, last year we didn't get a lot of drops that we were going crazy about. And I kind of referenced that to my channel as well. You guys know I almost show you guys, I showed you guys a lot of early looks last year, and there were only a couple that people were really loving, if that makes sense. And now in 2025, almost every single shoe that's been coming out, people are talking about. So again, it's working in Nike sense in terms of bringing the hype back, but at what cost? You see a lot of people complaining about these drops, like, man, I can't get a pair. And even just like this exclusive access that they gave me an exclusive L. Like, how you gonna give somebody exclusive access to enter a drop for a shoe and then you still give them an L? Like, what's going on? It's no more shock drops. It's no more regular exclusive accesses. It is a totally different ball game. And I'm telling you guys this right now. You might not like to hear this, but Nike is on to something. They trying to build that hype back up. They want you guys to be talking about their sneakers. They want you to be talking about the brand, and it's all working in their favor at the end of the day. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Quick little wrap up. Been going the last couple days, been moving and stuff like that, but the content is definitely going to keep coming, and I need to unbox some of these grails that we do got on hand. So you guys stay tuned for all that by subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell. But I can't let you guys go any further without commenting and let me know what you think about Nike's new strategy with making less quantity and building hype behind Nike due to all the previous losses that they have seen in revenue. I got to get you guys input, because without you guys, I'm up in here talking to myself, man. But again, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.